Today I'm going to talk to you about the snipping tool. The snipping tool is a great way to capture or snip part or all of what is being displayed on your screen. The snip or screen capture can then be pasted or inserted into a variety of programs. Windows Journal, OneNote, Flowworks, Word Doc, even emails. I will walk you through how to find and load the snipping tool and then show you a couple examples of how you might use it. I use the snipping tool almost daily, so I keep it pinned to my taskbar. But for those of you who are first-time users or maybe even occasional users, I will walk you through how to find the snipping tool. To find and load the snipping tool, just go to your Start menu, click on the Start, type Snipping in the search box, and the snipping tool will appear at the top of your box. If you want to pin it to your taskbar or Start menu, just go ahead and right click and choose Pin to Taskbar or Start Menu. Otherwise, to open it, you just double click. The snipping tool window will open, and from here you just can choose to create a new snip. You have a couple different types of snips that you can grab, either a free-form snip, a rectangular snip, or Windows or full screen snip. We'll start out with the rectangular snip, and then I'll also demonstrate the free-form snip. So a rectangular snip is just going to grab the portion of the screen in a rectangular box. The snipping tool captures the portion of the screen that you highlighted and then automatically opens it or copies it into the clipboard or markup window. From this window you can then either annotate on top of it, save it, share it with somebody through an email. So if you wanted to annotate, you could just grab your pen and then quickly annotate on it before you actually copy it or save it, so that annotation is saved with it. You have a number of different colors of pens. You can customize that. You also have a highlighter that you can choose to highlight an area on your clip. If you make a mistake, you can erase. If you choose to save it, it will just come up and ask you to give it a name, and you can choose where you want to save it. So make sure that you give it a name that is meaningful, and save it in a location, whether it be on your desktop temporarily or in a file folder. The formats that you have to save it in is, by default, it saves that as a JPEG file. You also have the option to save it as a PNG or a portable network graphic file, a GIF file, or a HTML file. You can email it to yourself or someone else, either as the body of the email or as an attachment. When you copy this, it will copy any annotations that you've made as well. You just need to open a program up, and when you hit paste, it will insert whatever it is that you had captured from your screen, along with any annotations that you made. Besides rectangular clips, you can also choose to create a freeform snip. Let me demonstrate that for you. You just choose freeform, and then just kind of follow or cut out the piece of the screen. And I'm not doing a great job, but you'll get the idea that you want to snip. Once again, just like a rectangular snip, the freeform snip, you can do all the same things to annotate on it before you take it to a document or send it as an attachment to an email or whatever it is that you would like to do with it. You can, I'm going to just go ahead and bring it over here into Journal. If I hit paste, it brings it over there. And then I'm just going to also demonstrate to you how you can just choose to annotate with your clip after you've inserted into a Journal or OneNote or Word or Flowworks or wherever it is that you want to take it into. Another use of the snipping tool would be if you wanted to capture the entire screen. You click on your snipping tool, say New, choose a window snip, and it will grab the entire screen for you. This is great if you want to capture everything that's on the screen, like a login screen, or maybe an error message that you're getting that you need help with. You can grab that snip of that screen with the error message on it, and then attach it as an email and send it to your favorite tech, and they'll be better able to help you resolve your issue. So keep the snipping tool in mind if you need to grab a quick image of something that's on your screen, either part or all of it, to bring into one of your other programs. It's a great little tool that you can use in a variety of ways.